try and get up every morning, day after day, and work for a living. Let's see him try that. Then we'll see who's the real tough guy. The working man is the tough guy.
With me, Joe Wilson, a wealth management advisor with a big money management house.
More money, yo money, Joe money.
I get an opportunity to help people turn their money into memories.
We're happy to get the kind of money that jingles, but we'd rather get the kind that folds.
Not your grandpa's financial show. This is your money guy, Joe Wilson, on Progressive Voices Network.
What's going on, my money mavens and moolah misfits? It's me, your money guy, Joe Wilson of the Joe Knows Money Show, reporting live on Progressive Voices Network, delivering you 4 minutes of money news you can use. Trending this week in money news, there's a clear connection between physical, emotional, and financial health. For starters, the average person spends about $4,342 on healthcare each year, which represents nearly 8% of his or her total annual expenditures. That leads me to my next topic, 6 healthy resolutions you can make. Tip number 1, practice deep breathing twice a day for 5 minutes. Money is our biggest source of stress according to the American Psychological Association. In order to break the vicious cycle of stress with a productive response to stressful events, breathe in deeply through your nose and out through your mouth. Deep breaths like this can act as a mini meditation. Shifting to slower breathing in times of tension can help calm you and allow you to perform better mentally and physically. Tip number 2, honor sleep. When you're busy, it's easy to say that the thing you want to sacrifice is sleep, but you need sleep for many reasons. And one of the biggest is that it conditions your brain for optimal learning, problem solving, and memory. Shoot for 6.5 to 8.5 hours per night. Tip number 3, walk 10,000 steps a day. The sweet spot for getting the maximal health benefits for minimal work is 10,000 steps a day. Research shows it's the number of steps that can help people lose weight and gain control of diabetes. Tip number 4, choose food wisely. In a fascinating new study, researchers from Brigham and Women's Hospital in Boston examined the eating habits and health records of almost 55,000 women over 26 years. Those who ate the most produce, good fats, and lean protein, and who steered clear of things like sugary drinks, trans fats, and too much alcohol, were 13% more likely to stay mobile and independent compared to those whose diets were less healthy. Tip number 5, know your health numbers. Keep the following in mind throughout the year. 120/80 or lower is a normal blood pressure reading. 35 or less for women and 39 or less for men is a healthy waist circumference measured at your belly button. 2, the number of times weekly to build and preserve muscle with strength training. Tip number 6, focus on personal development. Personal growth is one of the keys to feeling happy. Focus on self-improvement daily, whether it's taking better care of your health or doing things that give you confidence, or journaling to understand yourself better. And now it's time for Joe's Money Trap of the Day. Beware of quick fix health fraud scams. Health fraud scams refer to products that claim to prevent, treat, or cure diseases or other health conditions, but are not proven safe and effective for those uses. Health fraud scams waste money and can lead to delays in getting proper diagnosis or treatment. They can also cause serious or even fatal injuries. Visit FDA.gov for more information. Here's Joe's Money Grab of the Day. A National Bureau of Economic Research study found that people who are among the healthiest 20% in their 50s retires with 3 times the assets of the least healthy. And the healthy also spend down their wealth more slowly. That's because with healthcare costs not draining their resources, they can sock away more before they quit working. Other research shows that about half of people who retire earlier than planned cite health as the reason. Staying healthy gives you more power to save for longer. And now it's time for Joe's quote of the day. Health is our constant companion in good and bad times, so be loyal to it. That is from an unknown author. You are listening to the Joe Knows Money Show on Progressive Voices Network. Follow us on Facebook at facebook.com/Joe Knows Money and on Twitter at Joe Knows Money.